west on Service Road, westbound.
I'm 3 westbound on Service Road.
New Year's Eve, 2024. More police spot a vehicle driven by a 35-year-old female, wanted on multiple felony warrants. The suspect refuses to stop, triggering a dangerous high-speed chase through the Oklahoma City area suburbs. This was a terrifying pursuit. The driver recklessly blew through red lights, smashing into oncoming vehicles and tearing through parking lots.
Coming up to the 35 junction, still westbound. Medium traffic, still westbound, past 35. Coming up on Santa Fe, still westbound. Westbound, coming up on Walker.
Do we have a vehicle description?
Exit on Walker, westbound, it's a white Dodge Ram pickup.
Clear.
Bag 15, Zebra Tom, 8
Our plan.
Southbound on Walker. Southbound on Walker.
Clear, southbound Walker.
He's gonna come back northbound on Walker. Northbound.
Clear, northbound Walker.
Through the Casey's gas station parking lot. Now Johnny is still in the parking lot. Right there. Out to the service road.
Clear, eastbound.
Up the curve going back. West on 240. West on 240.
Get her now, Darwin. TBI now.
Still westbound on 240.
Clear.
Still westbound, passing west, 240 westbound. curve going back. West on 240. West on 240. On TDI now.
The danger escalated rapidly. Officers knew they had to end this pursuit before an innocent civilian was seriously hurt. Near I-240 and Mayo, more police successfully execute a surprise traffic stop maneuver. The suspect's vehicle rolls onto its side, finally bringing the dangerous and erratic ride to a complete stop. The individual, who was later found to be carrying large quantities of fentanyl, meth, and heroin, was taken into custody without further incident. Remarkably, 0 officers or civilians were injured in this wild chase. Another high-risk individual is successfully taken off the streets. Follow us for the latest real-time police pursuit action.
Headquarters, she's out, she's 10-4.
Thurston County, WA, on July 17, 2025, Olympia Police detected a stolen vehicle using an automated license plate reader, prompting officers to attempt a traffic stop. The situation quickly escalated. The driver sped down highways at speeds up to 130 miles per hour, recklessly swerving between lanes and streets in an attempt to flee. Thurston County Sheriff's Office deputies coordinated a deliberate response, deploying spike strips and an arresting device designed to safely disable fleeing vehicles by securing to a rear tire.
Received Ops 4 is going to be on a code 10 for county pursuit on Ops 4. We're losing sight of in traffic, don't know if we can go north or south of Received losing sight in traffic unknown as north or south at I-5.
4106, I'm at northbound I-5, that's Home Street.
Radio Evergreen 1, I'm behind county on 101. Okay. We will be going southbound I-5. .48 100, were you able to stay behind it? It's on the southbound ramp to I-5, crossing the right shoulder. I've got eyes about a quarter mile from you.
Yes, killer.
You see it?
Yes, he made another right.
It'll be eastbound Maytown. Median, authorized.
City 163, just set up space outside median and offering.
80 on position 1 now, we'll grab it.
We're doing we're passing 193rd Avenue right now.
80, I'm gonna go for a grapple.
Fully PD, going for a grapple.
Good grapple, felony stop.
Good grapple.
South at 93rd, we'll be on film stuff.
Let's see some fucking hits.
3103, felony stop.
The pursuit ended when a deputy's patrol car successfully activated the device, causing the stolen vehicle to skid and come to a stop. The driver, who was wanted on several felony warrants in King County, was taken into custody without further incident and booked into jail on charges of possession of a stolen vehicle and attempted escape.
We have another? Alright, moving up. I'm fanning out. Visually clear from here. I'm gonna move in. Yep. Driver's side clear. Passenger. Yeah, hit drunk. Good.